Miata, I choose you. So the Miata's been my garage queen for the last 3 weeks to a month, actually, since the snow came out. I got winter tires on it, got the Vertestein Wind Track Pros, so it's equipped to handle this. The WRX that just drove that, spoiler alert. Ram Rebel drove that. Actually, I got to make a video with all four of these cars, so I'm about to get the Miata out here in the snow just to see what it's like. So we about to get a bunch of snow, and I haven't driven my Miata, so I gotta get the cobwebs off of it. So we're gonna take it for a spin out here in the snow. Sloppy. Ooh, brake pedal hard. Dang, it's been that long, I don't know where the push button. Man, I ought to be ashamed of myself. Dang, I can't even get this thing to move. Brakes are rusted. That's terrible. That is terrible. Alright, we rolling. Gotta make sure I don't hit everything. Bikes, cars. Man, I feel the top creaking on me. Dang. Had to take a thumbnail with my phone. Don't feel like in my camera. So this goes to show you just how bad it is out here. Got service vehicles, all this slush, slop. Don't get my soft top. Woo, thought he was about to splash my soft top. Shouldn't even be out here, but I got content to make and I gotta drive this car. It's just been sitting, and that's bad for a car to just sit there. I got the tires for it. We out here rolling. U-turns. I don't know what the U-turns are like in Michigan. Like, can we do it? Can we not? We never had no U-turn signs. Shout out to my guy Race Car 21's always policing the DMV. So he's got all the traffic rules for his area, but I don't know what the U-turns are here. I'll make them when I don't see no police, but I don't know. It's kind of a gray area around here. We have Michigan turns. So actually I'm about to show y'all what that is in just a moment here when I bust this turn. I can hear the snow plow through these earphones. This junk is amazing. I heard something weird. I'm like, dang. And then the soft top is not the most insulated for sound deadening. But yep, snow plow behind me. So I'm out here before they even salt the roads or even plow. This ain't plowed. Oh, spoke too soon. I think this was plowed. Dang. One lane was plowed. We about to be adventurous and drive in the unplowed lane. That could be famous last words, but it ain't gonna be. Let's see what these Run Track Pros are like. My car about to be filthy. Actually, fun fact, I haven't washed this car since I bought it. Shame on me, yeah, I know. Sue me. Run Track Pros are doing well. Don't want to end up in some bricks over there, because I would be a very sad Miata owner. Gets up and goes. Man, who came and plowed the roads? I almost forgot to show y'all a Michigan turn. So in some places we can't just make a left. We have to go through these cutaways in the center divide and then turn around, make like a official U-turn, if you will. That's in Michigan. Pretty sure other states have them, but that's what we call them. Probably originated here in the Motor City, baby. Downshift. My oil temps up yet? Yup. Wait for these people to go. Dang, they plowed these quick. Just took the WRX out. Uh-oh, we digging in the snow. Digging on you like TLC. Alright, now we got traction. We gonna go to some less plowed roads, but this is wet. We can still get our judgment on here. On curves too. Living on the wild side. Every bit of everything in here. Still rewarding to drive this car. And I'm gonna have to wash it. Well, I should have washed it months ago. Coming up on a year soon. Woo, that's bad. But, hey, I'm a busy man. It's hard to find a good touchless wash. because the last one I went to touched my car, and that ain't good. It's too cold for me to wash it myself. It's 20 degrees outside. I can feel every piece of salt on the road. That's crazy. Oh yeah, cruising, cutting through the unplowed with a half-plowed lane. Keep rolling. I'm gonna wanna, but actually stopping hard, not gonna do much of anything. Got salt out here now. Gosh darn it. Did they do this road? Man, they got out here quick. I think they did this road too. That is somewhat of a bummer. Well, sorry folks. Gonna have to find some more roads before this GoPro battery dies. But it's fun. I need any excuse to drive the Miata. And thankfully, since I got the WRX out the way, I can finally drive it because I've been blocked in. All these cars in the driveway. Get out my way. That was an excellent job. Let me hit that. No, actually, no. Let me not hit that block of whatever. Could have been snow, could have been ice. This car is low. Don't want to break my splitter because it just could have been some broken up pavement. That would have been terrible. Gonna be snowing for like the next day. I'm saying we get in front of these. Are they gonna jump out? Nope, they got common sense. You watched the WRX video, somebody came out and could not handle that thing coming through here. It was terrible. And the Stelvio, the Alfa Romeo. Alright, there we go. I ain't plowed this over here. So we gonna test it out. The car is holding to the line. Oh, spoke too soon. Guess I hit a groove in the road. Alright, they ain't plowed none of this up here. So we about to see about that. We finna see. I guess I should just keep my wipers on then. Keep it in auto. And let's just, whoop, just sliding, straight up sliding. And no brakes. Nobody behind me. I just want to see what it's gonna be like. See the snow flying up behind me. Traction control kicking in. We in some sloppy mess. Is this an extra lane up here? I don't know. Slam on brakes. We just slide. I'm about to hurry up and make this video and get home. I ain't about to have me out here in the pickle. Yeah. So I guess the WinTrack Pros, I don't know if that's ice or what, but untreated roads, and it's somewhat warmish. It's 29 degrees out here, so this can melt, especially with salt on it. But who knows, man? Who knows? We in rear wheel drive, but they ain't got nothing to do with stopping. It's just bad, so I'm gonna have to watch who coming up behind me, make sure they get a safe enough distance. Don't be in here slamming on brakes, because I generally don't stop like that, just for the learning purposes of this video. I see this van coming up behind me. I'm gonna put myself in first, because if they start sliding, I'm gonna move up an inch toward. Oh, they good. All right, good job, Cruise. All right, we can put it back in neutral. You don't want to sit in gear with your foot on the clutch. Wears out the throttle bearing. Plows got the gear quick. Not over there though, just one lane. They working on it. Should have been out here earlier, to be honest. It started snowing like overnight. Boy, hungry. But if you don't work, you don't eat. I make it a personal rule of mine. I gotta get something done before I can even eat for the day. Something productive. Gotta earn that meal. Plus it gives me a heightened sense of awareness just working at just hungry, famine. My other senses heightened. It makes me do a good job. That's just me. If you need to eat, you better eat. You might get dizzy. You could be diabetic. You diabetic? Take care of yourself, man. Or a woman. Dang, that car cutting people. You don't turn left in front of people going that slow. They would have hit them, and they would have hit me. And I would have been sad. I probably should have waited for them to go. They got all-wheel drive in that. Is that an SRX? Four-wheel drive. I came through sliding in the Subaru coming through here. turn up in yonder. Woo. All right, here we go. Back at it. So, about to do some snow nuts up in here, wide open spaces. Yeah. So, the one time I made the one video and I just stabbed on it when it was dry, and this car did like a full donut when it's got ESC on. It's supposed to, it's supposed to do its job, intervene. There we go. It's not letting me slip and slide. That's traction control on. We got the new features for the 24s, the ND3s, track mode. It'll, where that's at? Right here. Gotta hold it for a minute. So, traction control is off, but we got ESC disabled, so we're dropping it down, but we're not getting our eagle on fully. So it'll let you do a little bit, but it won't let you get too sideways. I'm getting sideways enough though. Man, did that not work? Because this is supposed to let you be able to take it a little bit wider at the track. And then if we just turn that thing all the way off, let's see what we do. We should be able to get some good donuts in. Perfect circles. But we hitting the handbrake doing the Miata. Still don't stall. I do not pump fake. Alright, we got traction out here. Gotta overwhelm these things. There you go. Miata fun right here. There it is. Couldn't do that in the Subaru. Phone that fell out my pocket. We good though. Handbrake. Bam. Somewhat of a J-turn. I don't know who does that, why they do that. Alright. Bless the Lord for letting me use this parking lot for my own fun pleasures. So I want to do this some more. Learning the limits of the car. But with the Miata, I can do this in the dry too. It is not under par to where it can't break traction. People would have lost their minds when they say this car is slow. Not at all. Woo! We doing them good boys right now. Woo! Yeah. Don't want to mess up my tires too bad though, because this is how I gotta travel in the winter. Ah, crap! Something fell. Oh, there we go. Alright. That was fun, folks. Where is the road at? I don't know. Traction control back on. Like nothing even happened. Let me try that again just to verify. Because I don't want to get out there and just, there we go. Killing power so we can be safe. It's not going to let you do all those donuts. It's going to kill power. I'm flooring it. Nothing. So aside from that one time, traction control has been great in the Miata. That one time scared the crap out of me. Whoop. Ooh, is that an auto stall function? It started up by itself. So that don't even count. I ain't even stalled. You ain't see me push the push button start. That don't count. Never stall. Proudest accomplishment in life. Yeah. I don't even defer payments on student loans. All right, this has been fun. Let's see if the battery makes it to the moon simulation. Got to keep the rubber on these tires because this is my only way to drive through the snow. I did it with summer tires once on accident after I got the oil change actually, and yeah, that was a terrifying trip home. The rear end was swinging out easily. It was like a dusting of snow, like maybe an inch, maybe 2 inches. But man, the back end just whoop came out to the side. So I'm having to counter steer the whole time. And I got hit by every single red light. So I was just burying myself in a deeper, it put myself on ice basically. It was hard. It could have been hard. Thankfully, I was able to feather the clutch and get on out of every single situation. With the Miata, you can drive it in the snow. You'll do just fine. Should you drive it in the snow? Yeah, if you pay for the car, why not? But you got to realize people got bigger cars, and if your roads aren't well maintained, like around now, then I would hold off till the roads are clean and clear. But if you must, we got a Camaro right there. Shout out to my guy. The Camaros can do it too. I've done it. I did it in the SS. The one thing you're not going to want to do is make fast maneuvers in this Miata, because you will start to understeer at a limit. I got it in track mode, so I got my stability control on, but if you just bang a turn, like, you might not end up turning at all. Let the rear end come out as I drift around this stuff. Go that way. Fun stuff, guys. Sorry the GoPro's not on, so you can't really see it, and I'm sorry I'm having so much fun without y'all in the car. But like I said, you don't want to hit those turns too hard. Let me take it up just a notch and turn all of that off. I don't want ESC to save me. I gotta be able to step it up. That's what this car was made for, so you can step your levels of driving skills up. So I don't want ESC to save me. I want to be able to drift around these curves with all of my own input and without hitting the snowbank. So there's that. So, steer the car with the throttle. Wham! Oh no! Ah! Just kidding. I got it, y'all. I got it. I got this. I'm in the empty parking lot. But like I said, you don't want to. Like, you want to give yourself time. Such a fun car, man. I could do this all day till the gas runs out, at least. But yeah, that's why I like being here in the snow in Michigan. Get to enjoy these types of shenanigans. These snowbanks do make it a little bit terrifying because they are not small whatsoever. And there's ice underneath those, so there's that. Then there's a light in the midst of the parking lot. Let's see if I can bust a donut. Woo! Whoop. Oh, I caught some traction. I thought I hit something. I'm like, ain't nothing there. I hit a sewer and just got instant traction off that. That was a little bit weird. You don't even got to be hard on the throttle. Just easy inputs, a little bit of throttle, get you sliding, you're drifting in, and you are A-okay. This is only like not even 3,000 RPMs. So, man, that GoPro died at the wrong time. But if you can see the smile on my face, you know what it is. Yeah. So, I'm gonna have to let y'all go at that. Your boy's out here drifting. I'm out cold with it. I just like having fun in this car. A lot of other cars you can't do this with. Try with the WRX, but it's much more difficult. The Miata, just a playful car. I need two hands. So yeah.